Okay, so in this video, I just want to go over the composition part because a lot of you are doing really well with the revise and edit, but we really need to have a good, solid composition. So I really want to go over this part just to remind you what to do, what to expect, and so that you're ready. So you're always going to see the read and think part, and we just kind of ignore that, and we circle the right part. And also, any teacher that you're with can read that part to you as many times as you want. So just ask them, can you read the prompt to me, please? And they will come and read that to you. So this one says, write about a famous person that's impacted your life and explain how their actions have influenced you. So there's two parts to the writing. I have to write about who the person is, but also have to explain how they've impacted me. So there's two things that you need to make sure. In your topic sentence, I would use the words, blank has impacted my life because this is what they did. And so you want to make sure you do that. The main thing is if it tells you to do two parts, write about something and explain it, that you're writing about it on topic, always write on topic, and then explain what that is. So that's the boxes and bullets procedures that we practice. The other thing I want you to make sure you're doing here, okay, is that we have, can you see? There we go. An introduction, which includes the topic sentence, what am I writing about? And it includes a hook of some kind. How am I going to make that reader excited to read my paper? And then you're going to give me two good reasons why this person impacted your life, or two good reasons of whatever the topic is. And remember, that is where you give your small mini story that goes along with that little story. So make sure you're writing with detail, lots of imagery, lots of imagination, all the things that we've practiced. When you read those really good papers, you want to make sure that yours is a really good paper. So that was all on the writing. Again, let me show you the prompt. If it'll let me click. It won't let me click. Okay, so if you need to go back and look at the prompt and go, okay, I need to make sure I circle the right section. I plan out who my person is, what is my topic, what am I going to write about. Then you're going to go to the lined paper and do it there. Remember, on the lined paper, you must write inside the box. You can't write on the top, you can't write on the bottom, you can't write on the sides. You have to write only in the box. Okay?